so bright. I wish that
Good morning. It's our first morning waking up in Bangkok. Craziness that's going on around us. We're right in the centre.
comfort and sleep as I lie here beneath my sheets. Thinking about
Oh, first class. Oh, look at that. So the robot's cleaning the floor, which I love that. I mean, that's probably, I don't know if that's much in the way of technology, but... It was time for us to collect our luggage and start to think about the difference that we might find between island life and Bangkok. Oh, that's very hot. Okay, we're on this travelator thing. Probably can't check in yet, but if we can, bonus. Excited to see what Bangkok's going to bring us. Very excited. Jasmine and I stayed at the Shanghi Mansion hotel in Chinatown in Bangkok. As we weren't able to get into our accommodation straight away, we went for a small explore of the hotel before we went off to find our friends and to get some food with them.
Yeah, so I was going to come back and buy them.
I really want. After eating my first ever traditional pad thai, we went for an explore to see what we could find around Bangkok. Bangkok had some amazing places to go and see, so we just had a quick look around them before we could get into our hotel, which was an absolute delight. The hotel room was really quirky, and I really liked the decor of it. It was like something I'd never seen before. A lot of people were complaining that you couldn't see out of the windows in the city centre, but apart from that, the rooms were clean and very comfortable, and there was everything there that you would need. And I really liked the little details that they'd put into all the little nooks that you could find, the different ways that the taps were just so beautiful, and it was such a lovely stay there. This is me after a nap, so I've had a nap. I felt really tired, but we've got lovely aircon in there, so that's really amazing. We're going to go down and find the others. Good morning. It's our first morning waking up in Bangkok with the craziness that's going on around us. We're right in the centre of Chinatown, and it is mental out there, but very interesting. We saw some amazing sights last night. As you saw, we got very wet, very soggy, but we're just about to go for breakfast. We're going on a river tour today, so come with us. It's going to be so much fun. I love the hotel where we're staying. It's really quirky, and the bed's really comfy. The pillows were amazing, and the sheets felt like silk. They weren't, but they had that silky feel with them. So I feel quite well rested, and I'm going for a little outfit today. And don't do outfit today, I know, but we may go to some temples. But also it's really rainy, so I've got this. Sorry about the toilet. I've got this on, which doesn't go quite to the floor, but it is temple worthy. A little shirt and a vest top over the top. So that's me. Off we go, and hopefully it's going to be an amazing day. I think it really is. We need to take an umbrella. We've got our rain mat, so don't laugh if you see us in those. So a quick wee stop before we get on the boat, because there's no toilets on the boat, and this place looks really interesting. Don't know what it is, but it looks expensive here, and I wasn't expecting that. I was kind of expecting a bit more Cairo or something like that, but lovely music. Like the music, Jazz? So There's a Boots there, which is interesting. And a Starbucks. Also interesting.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama.
The Longtail riverboat tour was really interesting. It took us up the river through the middle of Bangkok, and it's not quite as hair-raising as it looked, but we did have life jackets on, and it was a little bit bumpy in places, but it was all good, it was all fine. It was so interesting to see, especially when we got to the little narrow areas, and there was some tricky navigation there from some of the other drivers as well.
I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day.
We was told it's much cheaper to build houses on stilts over the water, and there was some quite interesting sights to see there with some of the houses and the way that the people were living.
Oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something.
Our boat stopped at the side of the river just past these temples, and a lady gave us some bread to feed the fish with, which was just insane.
I'm gonna show you that I love you.
Most of the riverboat tour was coming to an end, but we was getting off to go and start exploring all of the temples of Bangkok, so make sure you come back to see that one.